Hello, everyone. It's me again. Look what I got. Y'all think it's snow, but it's not. It's ice, ice, baby, everywhere. I know it looks pretty, but it's ice out there. It's very cold out there. It's wind chill. I don't know what the wind chill is, but I do know it's very cold. I know there's no school today. There's hardly any animals, people walking, driving by, or anything. 'Cause it's so cold. I just thought I'd make this little video, show everybody it, and let everybody know that I'm safe and warm in my house. I'm not going outside, so y'all don't have to worry about that.